Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset network settings on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap System, General Management, or Additional Settings, depending on your device. Then, tap Reset Options, Reset, or Backup and Reset. Select Reset Network Settings or Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. A message will appear explaining that this will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth settings. Your personal files, photos, apps, and other data will not be deleted. Tap Reset Settings to continue. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to confirm. Wait a few moments while your phone resets the network settings. Once the process is complete, your device may restart automatically or return to the previous screen. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, pair your Bluetooth devices again, and reconfigure any custom network settings if necessary. Resetting your network settings can help fix common issues such as Wi-Fi connection problems, Bluetooth pairing errors, mobile data issues, and other network-related problems. That's all. You've successfully reset the network settings on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.